Today's the day that all the world will see. Another sunny afternoon, walking to the sound of my favorite tune. Tomorrow never knows what it doesn't know too soon. Need a little time to wake up. Need a little time to wake up, wake up. Need a little time to wake up. Need a little time to rest your mind. You know you should, so I guess you might as well. What's the story, morning glory? Well, need a little time to wake up, wake up. What's the story, morning glory? Need a little time to
Archie.
wake up, wake up.
Well. Oh. What are you doing? Good boy.
All your dreams are made when you turn to the mirror and the razor blade. Today's the day that all the world will see. Another sunny afternoon, walking to the sound of my favorite tune. Tomorrow never knows what it doesn't know too soon. Need a little time to wake up. Need a little time to wake up, wake up. Need a little time to wake up. Need a little time to rest your mind. You know you should, so I guess you might as well. What's the story, morning glory? Well, need a little time to wake up, wake up. Well, what's the story, morning glory? Well, you need a little time to wake up, wake up. Well, what's the story, morning glory? Well, need a little time to wake up, wake up. Well, what's the story, morning glory? Well, need a little time to wake up, wake up. How many special people change? How many lives are living strange? Where were you while we were getting high? Slowly walking down the hall, faster than a cannonball. Where were you while we were getting high? Someday you will find me caught beneath the landslide, in a champagne supernova in the sky. Someday you will find me caught beneath the landslide, in a champagne supernova, a champagne supernova. the doll and ask her why. A dream, she never dies. Wipe that tear away now from your eye. Slowly walking down the hall, faster than a cannonball. Where were you while we were getting high? Someday you will find me.
It's a Bobby Pig. Arch. Layla. Yeah? What are you doing? Archie. Layla. Oh.
Slowly walking down the hall, faster than a cannonball. Where were you while we were getting high?
Cookies. Oh. Good boy. Cookies. Oh. Where's Layla? Layla. What are you doing? Good boy. Yeah? Yeah, what? Arch. That's a Bobby Pig. Love you. Yeah. Yeah, right? I know, it's a Bobby Pig.
Today is gonna
Yum,
be the
yum.
day that they're gonna throw it back to you.
I'm okay, you okay?
By now you should have somehow
You're right.
realized what you gotta do.
You okay?
I don't
How are
believe
you?
that anybody feels the way I do about you now.
It's a Bobby Pig.
Backbeat, the word is on the street that the fire in your heart is out.
Don't you do
I'm
it?
sure you've heard it all before, but you never really had a doubt. I don't believe
Yum,
that
yum.
anybody feels the way I
Arch,
do
where's Layla?
about you now.
Layla. Where's Layla?
And all
Oh,
the
Bobby
roads we
Pig.
have to walk are winding,
Yes?
and all the
You
lights
want
that
this?
lead us there are blinding. There are many things that I would like to
What's the matter?
And all the roads that lead you there were winding.
He's a pretty boy.
And all the lights that light
Archie.
the way are blinding. There are many things that I would like to say to you, but I don't know how.
What are you doing? Oh,
Said maybe
it's a puppy bird. Where's Lila?
you're gonna be the one that
Lila. Where's Lila? Lila.
after all,
You alright? Are you okay?
you're my wonder
Oh. Love you.
I said maybe
You're
gonna be the one that saves
Oh, yum yum.
you're my wonder.
What? What's the matter? You alright? Yeah.
I said maybe you're gonna be the one that saves me. You're gonna be the one
Love
that
you.
saves me.
Love you.
You're gonna be the one that saves me. Talking to the songbird yesterday, bringing to a place not far away. She's a little violet in my mind, singing songs of love to pass the time. Gonna write a song so she can see, give you all the love she gives to me. Talk of better days that have yet to come. I've never felt this love from anyone. She's not anyone. She's not anyone. She's not anyone. A man can never dream these kind of things, especially when she came and spread her wings. Whispered